Hey guys, today we're exploring the center of Paris to see what it's like to travel here during the Olympic Games. And we're starting out at the Arc de Triomphe, and as you can see, the area is not busy at all. The lines are not very long. I found the line, which is pretty big, and seems like everyone is interested in the Olympic store, like the merch. We are heading to the city center. This is kind of a main street, the entrance to the city, and it's pretty busy. We stopped by near the Louis Vuitton hotel, which is pretty. We are getting closer to all the Olympic events, and this is a closed road, so everyone can just walk there on the bicycles, and it's getting really hot. And it's also, I noticed that on the streets lots and lots of police. Like, this is a crazy amount of police. On some streets you may see like 10 cars in a row, police cars. I can't say it's very crowded, because comparing to Barcelona, where it's always crowded everywhere, it's not so crowded. It's nice. There's also some boutiques from the partners of the Olympics. I don't know what's actually going on in there, but like maybe some all the way from China. What is this about? Maybe it's some attractions, I think. Yeah, like a virtual reality, maybe. Also, I have noticed that there's a lot of closures and like blocked museums and attractions. I think that because some of the games are happening really inside of these museums and beautiful places, like this, for example. So as a tourist, we cannot go there. This is built from scratch, the official Olympic store. You can see here there's a lot of fans of the Olympic Games. I personally am not a fan. I'm not watching the games, but I'm really proud of the people who are doing sports and who win the medals. They are cool, but I'm not really interested. But it's kind of nice to be in the city. Like, some people say it's a lifetime event, but this is my second Olympics. The first one I saw like in Russia. It's really nice to see the Olympic rings on the Eiffel Tower and all this stuff. Look at the line, it's still going on. Why? Why you need that? Like, this is just a merch. You can buy it from the internet. I don't know, guys. I really don't understand this. So a lot of people actually say to us that don't go to Paris during the Olympics. It's overcrowded. I don't know, it's not safe. But a few days here, it's pretty much empty. Just some streets that fill with people, but overall, just look at this. Like, there's a huge road that is closed, and there's not so much going on here. At the end here, there is a closure because of the stadium that was built there from scratch, just on the street, and we cannot go inside. So there is some inconvenience. After all, we have to go around to continue walking to the center. It's actually not really obvious how to cross all the closures, how to go around. So now we're going to attempt to enter the Tuileries Garden. The amount of infrastructure that was built is actually crazy. I wonder how much time they will deconstruct all of the stuff. But we'll be here. Maybe let me know if you want to see in a week after the Olympic Games, how it will look like. So there's a sign for Louvre, so it made me think that it's really open. Just look at how the Olympic infrastructure was integrated in the city. I think that was the idea. What do you think of it? I think it's too bright color for this city. The city is aesthetic, chic, but this blue is really bright. So we entered the Tuileries Gardens, but it's all closed here, and we're trying to figure out how to get to the Louvre. It's supposed to be there. There's people walking there. Why we can just go there? We in the center of this garden, and we found the ball. This is a balloon actually, and it's going up in the evening, as I heard. It's sad that it's all closed, like we cannot even see it. We're in the center. There is museums, police, as you can see, a lot of military guys. Let's see the museums. It's pretty crowded here, but I would say it's normal. It's not overcrowded. Oh, the balloon. Oh, that's a nice view. Oh, it's so beautiful. Wow. So guys, we made it to the center. There is lots of people, but you can definitely breathe here. You can walk around. You can still take nice pictures. See the balloon. See the museums. I'm so happy that it's not closed, because a few days ago we tried to access here, but we failed. I don't know, we were walking from the other side of the city, from the upstairs. I don't know how to explain it, but not from the Seine. But this time, yeah, we made it pretty fast. I think the best time to visit this place is on sunset or sunrise, but we're here at 2 p.m. It's almost lunch. So beautiful. It's my first time here. Still can't believe it. People are chilling in the shadows. It's not really hot actually. It's like 26 degrees Celsius. Not that hot. The sun is not that cruel as somewhere in Barcelona. So we made a few pictures. I think we're done here. We're staying in Paris for a month, so we will definitely come back for more pretty light to make even better pictures, and when it's not that hot. So yeah, let's go and explore the rest of the city center. It's so clean and quiet here, without the cars, all the noise, not so many people, and it's cool. Yeah. Cute little restaurants, boutiques, shops. Oh my god, look at this. I want this really bad. Oh, why it looks so sexy. We're just walking in the first district. This is a children's playground. Looks pretty sick. So we're walking down the street. It looks so weird. Like all the houses are almost the same. And it makes me feel like I'm in a video game or something. Like just copy it and paste it. Such a cute place. I think I can recommend it. We took a raspberry croissant and coffee. Everything was pretty good, pretty tasty. We got trapped in this crazy street. I don't know, there is a line on the other side and it's very interesting to wear. There's a line. Oh, it's not a line. It wasn't a line. It was all the crowd is heading somewhere. Let's see what it is. What is going on? I don't know what it is. Some activity. We are continuing to walking down the street, and some parts of the streets are closed, so we're going from right to the left and from the left to the right. It's not fun actually. Guys, I'm taking back my words about the fact that it's not so hot. It's freaking hot. It's just, I don't know, I didn't expect that I will burn my face, my shoulders, my neck. Just look at this. Nice tan. Oh my gosh, it's so hot. Right now is about 4 p.m. and starting from 2 p.m. it started so hot. Oh my god, now we're heading home, and what I can say about this whole situation with the Olympics, I will explain it when I get back home. So see you there. So finally I'm home, and I wanted to tell you that actually the main action is happening along the Seine from the Eiffel Tower to the Louvre, and the rest of the city is pretty much empty, which I personally like because I love to explore the empty streets, have everything for myself. But there's also some inconvenience about it because it happened that the August is also a vacation month for a lot of Europeans, and a lot of Parisians left the city not only because of the Olympics but also on their traditional vacation. And a lot of restaurants and shops and bakeries are closed for almost the whole month, which is really crazy for me. But I really think that in September there will be a great time to visit Paris because it still will be clean, because they clean up the city really well, especially the center of the city, the historical center, which is usually gets messier than the rest of the city because of the narrow streets and lots of people. Like it's natural. So yeah, I think after the Olympics it would be still really clean, but without all the rush in all the Olympic stadiums and closures and all the infrastructure. So it really would be nice to explore the city. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more of Paris while we're here, and see you next time.